Hello! Wow! Kamusta na kayo dyan? Long time. Tagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-vlog. Kasi busy. Sobrang busy. So, I'm too busy. But, pwede nyo pa rin ako mapanood sa aking TikTok channel. The same name. Batang Malabon 4D. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy. And today meron akong another unboxing for you guys. And hindi ko napapahabain to dahil meron akong may work pa ako. So before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. So yun, I missed that. Medyo hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog. Nakakalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko. Okay, this time, thank you sa aking friend na nagbigay sa akin ito. And i-unbox ko sa inyo ng mabilisan. Okay, and this is the box. Ayan. So what's inside the box? This is the Nike, what do you call it? Blazer Mid 77 vintage. Palagay ko nung 1970s ito nilabas. Kasi vintage na siya. So ang size is my size 9.5. Ayan, 9.5 ang aking size. Actually, meron ako isang pinost nito sa TikTok before. Last December yata, November, may nagbigay din. Pero hindi ko siya nagawa ng unboxing. So far, wala na sa akin yung shoes. Okay, so let's get the box. And syempre, ang smell test. The inhale and dive. Fresh na fresh. Okay, what's inside the box? Syempre, yung Nike shoes na Mid 77. Ito na siya. Ayan, talagang vintage na. Amazing! Natanda ko, when I was small, I see this kind of shoes. And one of my uncle has this before, I remember. And parang natatandaan ko, nagkaroon ako nito mga year, 80s na. But nawala na siya. But this time is before I post one of my shoes like this on my TikTok, but the same, but the color is blue here. The logo is blue, but this time is parang red, maroon, something, maroon. Okay, beetroot gray. They call it Nike white dark beetroot gray color. Blaze Mid 77 vintage. So, ayan. Ito medyo foamy siya, foamy. Ang liwanag ng ko, no? Foamy siya, foamy. Ito parang leather, something. May leather siya rito. So, ayan siya. Ayan ang kanyang full detail, yung ilalim. Yan, bago pa, no? Baka sabihin nyo, isang piraso. Sa dalawa yan, isang pares yan. Ayan, thank you so much. And, wow, press mat. Lasang shoes pa rin, but hindi pa siya may daga. So, the next, popost ko naman siya sa aking TikTok channel. And thank you sa yung box, pa rin yung box. Ayan, mayroon pa rin yung papel. So, yun lang yung laman niya. Yun lang ang kanyang laman. Abangan nyo na lang. Wait, I'll post it on my TikTok account. Isasot ko siya. So, thank you for watching for my another unboxing vlog or whatever. It's been a long time. Buti hindi pa ako sinisanti ni Lolo YT. Anyway, this is Batang Malabon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Comment kayo, comment. Kung meron kayong katanungan tungkol dito tungkol dito sa shows, hindi tungkol sa kung ano-ano man. And hit the notification bell for the and see you